Press start.
Hello, I'm Wave. How to draw Sonic's ring. As we all know how to draw this ring. Its shape is made of torus. It's very simple to draw it. First step, make sure the ring is in either 2 or 3-dimensional way. Second step, we have to apply some shading. It is therefore yellow in color, but apparently is gold. And third step, color this ring entirely. You know, it is quite easier how to draw. Gold rings are the most distinct object in the Sonic the Hedgehog series. Rings serve as a unique health system and gameplay throughout most of the series. In most cases, as long as the players hold even one ring, it will protect them from losing a life upon taking damage. One in the episode, such as Sonic X. He can draw upon their power to temporarily make himself more powerful. And in the latest movie Sonic 2020, making their rings so realistic, and it is very detailed, as well as Sonic's so realistic. So that is how we easily draw Sonic's ring. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.